Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? What if the evidence we've been searching for has already passed us by, dismissed as just another space rock? Today, we're diving into a story that blurs the line between science and speculation. A story that involves a mysterious comet and a string of objects that defied easy explanation. We're talking about Comet 3IATLAS and the 9 enigmatic objects that trailed it. Some say this could be the very evidence of extraterrestrial technology that official sources might be hesitant to confirm. Let's set the scene. Back in 2019, a comet named C2019Y for Atlas was discovered. Astronomers were thrilled. It was brightening rapidly, and for a while, it looked like it could become the comet of the century, visible to the naked eye. But then, something strange happened. Instead of becoming a spectacular celestial show, Atlas started to fade. By April 2020, the Hubble Space Telescope confirmed our fears. The comet was disintegrating. It was breaking apart into smaller pieces as it got closer to the sun. This happens with comets, but the story of Atlas was far from over. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Let's shift our focus to a different, yet similarly named object, 3IATLAS. Wait, 3I, that I stands for Interstellar. This wasn't just any comet. It was an object from outside our solar system, just like the famous Oumuamua. But unlike Oumuamua 3IATLAS had a classic cometary tail. Still, its interstellar origin made it incredibly special. It was a visitor from another star system, carrying secrets from deep space. As astronomers tracked 3IATLAS, they noticed something peculiar. Following behind it, in a nearly perfect line, were 9 distinct objects. Now, when a comet breaks up, you expect a cloud of debris, a messy trail of ice and rock tumbling chaotically. You don't expect 9 objects moving in a neat, orderly procession like pearls on a string. This formation was so unusual that it immediately sparked intense debate and speculation within the astronomical community and beyond. Could this be just a bizarre, yet natural, fragmentation pattern? Or was it something else entirely? The natural fragmentation theory is the mainstream scientific explanation. The idea is that, as the parent body broke apart, these specific chunks just happened to maintain a similar trajectory. Tidal forces from the sun could have stretched them out into this linear formation. It's a plausible explanation, and it's the one you'll hear most often from official sources. It fits within our current understanding of cometary physics. But does it fit perfectly? Some researchers have pointed out that the stability and uniformity of this formation are, at the very least, highly unusual for a typical comet breakup. This is where we enter the realm of more out-there hypotheses. Could these 9 objects be something other than simple cometary fragments? The structured formation led some to propose a truly mind-bending idea. What if we were witnessing an extraterrestrial probe or vessel that had used the comet as camouflage? Imagine a large mothership that, upon entering our solar system, released a series of smaller probes to study our region of space. This concept, known as a dandelion seed probe, suggests an advanced civilization could explore the galaxy by sending out numerous small, autonomous probes that can self-replicate or report back. Why would NASA or other space agencies be afraid to confirm such a thing? Well, think about the implications. Confirming the existence of an alien probe in our backyard would be the single most transformative event in human history. It would rewrite our textbooks, reshape our religions, and redefine our place in the cosmos. The potential for social, political, and economic upheaval would be immense. Any responsible agency would need absolute, irrefutable proof before making such an announcement. And even then, they would proceed with extreme caution. The burden of proof for extraordinary claims is, and should be, extraordinarily high. It's less about a conspiracy and more about immense scientific responsibility. Let's look at another possibility. What if it wasn't a probe, but some kind of cosmic convoy? Perhaps a defunct fleet of alien vessels drifting through interstellar space for millennia, caught in the gravitational pull of the comet. Or maybe it was debris from an ancient, advanced civilization's megastructure that happened to fall into this specific orbital path. These ideas sound like science fiction. But when you're faced with an anomaly like the 3IATLAS formation, you have to consider all possibilities, no matter how wild they may seem at first. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. The core of the mystery lies in the lack of detailed data. By the time this strange formation was clearly identified, the objects were already heading away from us, back into the depths of interstellar space. We had a fleeting glimpse, a cosmic "what was that" moment, and then they were gone. We can't turn a telescope back on them. We are left with only the data we managed to collect during their brief passage, analyzing faint points of light from millions of miles away. This ambiguity is what fuels both the scientific debate and the public speculation. Without a smoking gun, we're left to wonder. So, what can we take away from the story of 3IATLAS and its 9 mysterious followers? It's a powerful reminder that the universe is still full of surprises. While the most likely explanation is a natural, albeit rare, cometary phenomenon, the event pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and forces us to ask what if. It encourages us to keep looking up, to keep developing better telescopes and methods for detecting and analyzing the objects that pass through our cosmic neighborhood. Whether they are rocks, ice, or something more, every interstellar visitor is a priceless messenger from a world beyond our own. The truth about the 9 objects following 3IATLAS may never be known for certain. They have vanished back into the interstellar darkness, leaving behind a trail of questions. Was it a beautiful, natural coincidence? Or was it our first, fleeting glance at a technology far beyond our own? Perhaps the real evidence isn't what NASA is hiding, but what we all missed in plain sight. Let me know in the comments what you think. Was this a natural event, or are we talking about something more? Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic detective story. If you enjoy exploring the biggest mysteries of the universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.